brain. So kids, today we will learn what's the time. You can see the watch. It's 12 o'clock. It's 12:30. It is 1 o'clock. It's 1:30. It is 2. It is 2:30. It is 3. It is 3:30. It is 4. It is 4:30. It is 5. It is 5:30. And it's 6. And now it's 6:30. 7 o'clock. 7:30. 8 o'clock. 8:30. 9 o'clock. It's 9:30. 10. It's 10:30. And now it is 11. And now it is 11:30. Now it's done. So the time is 12 o'clock. So kids, today we learn about the clock. Please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.